Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about Dogecoin on Doge Day 420. We will talk about how you could buy a Tesla vehicle with Dogecoin, what I think of this cryptocurrency, if you should get some of it, why Doge is one of the most recognizable altcoins right now, and why businesses are adopting the usage of Dogecoin just like they have done with cryptos like Bitcoin. If you are looking to get some free Bitcoin, I have some deals for you in the description box down below labeled free money. But right now, like this video for Dogecoin, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and let's get right into today's video. Dogecoin is a meme cryptocurrency that was originally made as a joke, but recently it has skyrocketed in price astronomically, especially since today has now been dubbed Doge Day, where investors are hoping for Dogecoin to skyrocket even higher to the price of $1, when right now one Dogecoin is worth around 37 cents, which is already amazing because a few weeks ago it was only valued at just 9 cents. Dogecoin has had a larger market cap than Ford Motors and Marriott Hotels thanks to various businesses using Dogecoin in their promotional materials and ads like Slim Jim and Snickers. Now, normally stocks and cryptocurrencies like to run up in price before a catalyst, then on the catalyst day or after the catalyst, the stock or crypto tends to pull back, and I think this will happen with Dogecoin today and this week. Many businesses like Newegg, BitPay, and even Tesla's Elon Musk, who are posting on Twitter to retweet their posts to send Dogecoin to the moon. But honestly, I think Doge is just the newest hype play, similar to GameStop stock, so this means that many people could get burned on these plays. However, you do have the potential to make loads of quick money while the cryptocurrency is rallying, but to me, it's far too risky. I personally take the stance that if everyone just invests into Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're going to be better off than if we all just invest in Dogecoin. And the reason for that I will get into later in this video. But I do want to congratulate Dogecoin holders, especially if they bought Doge when it was only half of a penny. The reason why I personally will not buy into this hype is because Dogecoin is an inflationary currency, like most currencies are, but it produces 10,000 new Dogecoins every minute, thus diluting the worth of all existing Dogecoins in circulation. Plus, it does not have a hard cap like Bitcoin does, which is why I think Bitcoin is just digital gold. This inflationary pressure is there for people to spend the coin and not hold on to it, because if you hold on to it, it will lose its value. However, this has not stopped people from buying it, and apparently there is one unknown entity that actually owns 28% of all circulating Dogecoins, so someone or some entity is betting very big on this crypto. If you would have bought $1,000 worth of Dogecoin in January of 2021, that $1,000 would have turned into over $70,000, which is enough to buy a Tesla Model S. This means that Doge has stomped Bitcoin in returns this year because Dogecoin has rallied close to 7,000%, while Bitcoin has returned under 100%. An even more extreme example is OMI token, where a $1,000 investment at the beginning of this year would be worth over $212,000. However, the most extreme example that I found was Content Value Network, CVNT token, which would have turned $1,000 into over $340,000, which is absolutely insane. We should keep in mind that these types of insane spikes do not happen often, and the crypto space operates in cycles, so expect all of this to fall back down to much lower support levels. Even the co-creator of Dogecoin sold all of his coins a while ago because he understands how the crypto market operates, but I can guarantee he wished that he would have kept some of his Dogecoins, because who could have anticipated Doge surging as much as it has? Today, the hashtags #DogeDay, #Dogecoin, and #Doge420 have been trending, but I anticipate that people will soon find out how the crypto markets work, so it's always beneficial to take profits periodically on the rallies while managing your risk wisely when the price inevitably falls back down. For the long term, I don't know what Dogecoin is going to make of itself, and I hope it continues to rally, but if history has taught us anything, it will fall back down until it finds support, but we don't know how low that support line is going to be. Dogecoin has thoroughly impressed and entertained me because it briefly replaced Ripple's XRP as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. We have to remember that originally, Dogecoin was just made as a joke for a way of tipping online artists. But clearly it does have a real-world niche, so we will see what happens. However, even though Dogecoin is climbing the ranks of the cryptocurrency hierarchy, Bitcoin still remains king of cryptos because it has over a $1 trillion market cap, and I really want everyone to take that hype that Dogecoin has gotten and funnel it into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not inflationary, so the value of Bitcoin will be kept as long as people don't sell it in mass. I do want to let you know that I have a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink tokens, and I don't have any Dogecoin, so I am biased here, but I do believe that Bitcoin is a better store of value than Dogecoin is. Dogecoin is like a very inflated tire that will either pop or deflate because of its inflationary nature. So, you should know that 65% of all Dogecoins are only kept in 98 wallets, and the top 5 of those wallets control 40% of the total circulating supply, so this coin is very easily manipulated by these whales. I think these large whales will sell their Dogecoin and become instant billionaires, which will cause the price to plummet. Just take the words from Nigel Green, a CEO of a financial advisory organization, and he says this, and I quote, "Dogecoin has become the new GameStop, with frenzied trading potentially going to deliver a bloody nose to novice investors. In the same way that the GameStop frenzy was pitched as a battle play of Wall Street versus the little guy, Dogecoin is being pitched as a battle play against the well-established crypto giants like Bitcoin." The main point that I'm trying to get across is that there are much better cryptocurrencies than Dogecoin that have a much longer shelf life. So unless you are an experienced trader or you got into Dogecoin early, then be prepared if you invest to potentially lose your money, because this cryptocurrency is not a good store of value like Bitcoin, and it has very little use case unlike Ethereum. I do not want to see these whales manipulate you and make money off of you, but I could easily be wrong here. Dogecoin might not crash, and it could continue to rally after this video, and Dogecoin could potentially rival Bitcoin, but I personally am not going to bet on it. I also want to quickly add that many people buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum on Robinhood, but please stop. Robinhood does not give you your crypto keys, and without access to your crypto keys, you do not actually own that asset. You cannot transfer your coins and tokens to external wallets. So please find a good cryptocurrency exchange like BlockFi, Gemini, Binance, or Coinbase Pro. So I am pro cryptocurrency, I just don't want to see people get burned. Anyway, remember to like the video, comment down below your thoughts, subscribe if you are new, and I will see all of you in the next YT video.